Hi, my name is Steve Ruslanik, and I've been writing and performing songs for kids and their families under the name Steve Songs for over 20 years. I've been the music teacher host on PBS Kids since 2007, and I've had the opportunity to travel all over the country playing shows at performing arts centers, schools, hospitals, teacher conferences, you name it. I'm always working on new material, but I decided to take a moment and record some of my favorite live interactive songs to video for teachers, students, or families.
And I know, when I go, that I am going to play and learn about dinosaurs, numbers, letters, and more. And I am glad to say that I get to go to school.
So hopefully you like them and find the videos and songs enjoyable, educational, useful. I'm always looking for new ideas from teachers as well. So if you have an idea for a song topic or a lesson plan, drop me a line. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, thanks so much for listening.